choice today with 2021 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, LED headlights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, technology package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.